Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making lamb steak. First we put some olive oil on top of the meat and then salt and pepper. You have to rub the meat nicely so the salt can go inside the meat and the virgin olive oil can go inside the meat. After a few moments we put some oil on the fry pan and we wait until it's get hot, and then we put the meat in the fry pan and we roasted our lamb, and the smell is coming very good, the flavor is coming good, like it's a good one. And we have to wait for a couple of minutes, and then we have to flip it. So it takes time, you need patience because it's a thick meat, so it takes time to cook nicely. If you rush, sometimes it get raw, but love to eat a cooked meat. Some people like to eat rare meat, so that's rare, so they can cook a little bit, but we Indian people, we like cooked food, and then we cover it. After a few minutes we check it and we again flip it. After flipping that, we put some garlic in that and some chili flakes, and then we cover it for a few minutes so all the garlic and chili flakes flavor go inside the meat, and it really look yummy and the smell is coming lovely, and in my mouth there's water. Yeah, I'm just waiting when I have to eat it. And after cooking some of the point, we have to check it whether it's still raw inside or it's cooked. So finally we checked with the knife and then we cover it little raw. After that, now it's really look cooked. I think it's done, and we have to cook some vegetables with that. And really it's done, man. It's well done. It's fully cooked, and the smell is coming great. The water is boiling for the vegetables because we're gonna serve some vegetables with the steak. So we put some vegetables like broccoli and carrot in the boiled water, and then we're gonna boil for like 5 minutes. So after that, we're gonna take it out and strain it. The water is boiling, and now we're gonna strain it. So after straining, we have to put some oil in the fry pan, and we're gonna fry the vegetables. Not too much fried, but it's a fried vegetable boiling, and then little bit fried like saute, and then we're gonna serve with the steak. So it's gonna be yummy. Some people like to add some spill of salt, and some people don't add it, but we add it. We Indian people, we like little spice, little flavor in everything. So we add some salt and then saute it properly. After, yeah, you can see it's so colorful. There's a green, orange. It look lovely.